So hi everyone, today video is related to how to find job in Dubai, whether it's digital marketing, social media marketing, graphic designer, e-commerce marketing, any other field as per your qualification, your skills. So you will able to see how I will search the job and which portal I will prefer. So let's go to my screen, and I will mostly prefer the best job search portal, which is a naukrigulf.com. They have a app also and a web version also. So I'm going in desktop version to showcase how we can search. So I just search Naukri Gulf Dubai. You can see a sponsor ad also they are running, and that is their official website. So I just clicked, and I will give you example of a digital marketing job opportunity in Dubai. So let's go to a search bar. Here keywords you can type as per your skills. So here I am just giving example of digital marketing. You can search as a software engineer, IT, graphic designer, or a sales and marketing, business development, whatever is your skills and experience you have. Now then I kept it a location as a Dubai, and if you put United Arab Emirates, so all 7 Emirates job vacancy will visible. And then I click search. So as you can able to see, digital marketing executive, 1 to 5 year experience. So you can see the relevant job, whatever is lie into your experience, and then you can click on apply. Once you apply, you will go the job listing portal. Here you can see digital marketing specialist, company name, experience 2 to 8 years, and monthly salary 4,000 to 5,500 dirham. They will prefer Indian and Sri Lankan candidate. And now you can read the full job description. If you feel you are a right candidate, just go and apply. They have given WhatsApp number also. You can send a professional message on WhatsApp also with your CV and a cover letter, and then for applying you need to log in and apply. Rest you can see lots of other job searches are there. So now again I am showcasing you a social media marketing job in New Dubai. So social media marketing specialist vacancies there. I just click, and lots of job vacancies. So you can apply as per your skills, as per your, and you can able to see the salary 5,000 to 10,000 dirham. Any Anglo national they are preferring, and accordingly so for I'll just showcase the listing and all. You can search as per your convenience. And again I'm showcasing other like keywords also. SEO, if you are an SEO, then search SEO, location UAE, and experience, suppose you have 2 years, then 2 years. Now you can click on search button, and you will be able to see lots of SEO vacancies there. So it's up to you, whichever is your most skill you can apply, and wait for 2 to 3 days they will say. And all status you will get from the Naukri Gulf mobile app, or these things web browser also, on email also. So this is a very very nice portal. I used to prefer this one. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more video. So I will come up with more videos regarding to a digital social media marketing, e-commerce, and all other job roles that you can search. And I would prefer Naukri Gulf is a best portal, and it's not sponsored by Naukri Gulf. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.